Brighter beyond expectation. High-quality LED chips, super bright and powerful white light to let you see the forward dark road clearly. Excellent lighting effect. 72W combination of spot and flood beam, further irradiation distance and wide range of light for broad view area. Adjustable mounting bracket. The light bar can be adjusted to about 45 degrees, which makes changing direction of light beam easier. Superior quality wires. Good electrical conductivity, high temperature and melting resistant, outstanding bending performance. Package include 2 PC72W combo LED light bars, 1 PC wiring harness and mounting brackets. Specification. LED power, 72W, 24x3W high-intensity LED, beam pattern, spot flood combo beam input voltage, 9 to 30 versus DC, fits 12 volts, 24 volts vehicles, working lifespan. Over 30,000 hours LED color temperature, pure white 6000 K-6500 K working temperature, -4085 degrees Celsius, -40,185 degrees Fahrenheit, material. 6063 aluminum alloy profile, high-quality LED chips, PC lens waterproof rate, IP67, waterproof, dustproof, quakeproof and anti-corrosive. Certifications. CE, FCC and RoHS wiring harness kit 2 leads, 10 feet wiring harness, 2 sets of connectors to light fixtures maximum wattage, 180 W, max ampere, 15A, operating voltage, 12 volts DC power applications, off-road lighting, Jeeps, 4x4, cars, ATV, UTV, SUV, truck, trailer, forklift, trains, boat, bus, outdoor lighting, etc. Other lighting. Excavator, dozer, road roller, crane, tractor, harvester, grain drill, mower, snowplow, fire engine, rescue vehicle, camping, mining lighting, construction lighting, etc. Household lighting. Garden, backyard, garage, indoor lighting. Note. Use a voltage transformer, converter to convert the AC 110 to 120V to District of Columbia 12V for indoor use. Universal fitment. The wiring harness is a good accessory for off-road vehicles, working vehicles, automobiles and boat that use a 12 volts DC power source. Top reviews from the United States. Good light output. Installed these lights on 2014 Nissan Frontier. I decided to use two 12 light bars instead of 120 or 22. I am very pleased with light output. I had to expend the power lead for the switch, but not a big deal. Works as it should.